Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to do a walk around on this 2023 Chrome Edition bobber and show you some of the accessories we have for it. So to start off with, we have our full system drag pipes on here, which are made from 304 stainless steel right here in this shop in Gardena, California, all mandrel bent. This is a full system, gets rid of the cat here. You have a crossover going across here and a louvecord baffle. You know, by getting rid of the cat, we're getting a lot more flow straight out the pipe, and by having the crossover here, which makes it more effective tune length on the pipe. So we're just going to do a quick fire up on here, but we also have some sound clips. You can check out the other video for that. So next we have our pan taillight kit. It's plug and play with our plug and play harness. Real easy installation. If you have the right tools, you don't even have to remove the rear wheel. You can just get under there and remove the old one, put the new one on. If you don't have thin enough tools, then you may have to remove the rear wheel, but other than that, it's a real easy install. So along with this, we have our license plate adapters for turn signals and our adapters that fit the Moto Pin lights from Moto Gadget. And this is all LED lighting, so it's nice and bright. So again, in the front, we have the Moto Pin lights from Moto Gadget using our adapter to the stock mounting, and this uses our universal harness to mount up. It's similar to the Speedmaster install, which we have live up there now, and I'm sure we will come out with a video on installing these in the future. And again, nice and bright LED lighting. So we also have our solo seat. This comes in black with black stitching or gray stitching. And it's marine grade vinyl with a gel insert for comfort. It's made right here in the USA. This part, the pan, does not come with the seat. You need to take this off of your original seat. It's like 6, 8 screws or something like that. You gotta pull the whole thing off, undo those screws, and screw this back on, put it back on the bike. Pretty easy install. So now we have our cafe handlebar kit. We got our 4-bolt riser and our finned master cylinder cover. This kit is everything you need to install. We got the clutch cable, the brake line. The beauty of installing it on this bike, if you've ever installed it on some of the other models, you have to change that brake line all the way back to the ABS unit, which requires you to remove your swing arm and everything. But here, there's a break in the line, just like we make when we put our kits in. We have a break in the line right up here, so if you ever needed to change that brake line, you just got to pull the tank back and take it off from there. So your brake line is just coming back to here, and that's it. So it's a lot easier install than on some of the other models. Some people might say, hey, why can't I install these with the stock cables? They all reach, and it's true, they do reach. You can put these on here with this, leaving this stock, but the clutch cable has a metal piece here that keeps it to a bend, makes it really tight. When you go full right turn, it's really pulling tight on there. Same thing on the brake line. The way that it's angled out on the stock, it makes it really bend the hose really hard, and you're taking a chance at making that hose fail and you'll have no brakes. You could be pulling your clutch cable and burning out your clutch. So we really don't recommend it. You really want to change it so you have proper angles on everything. So some of the stuff we don't have available yet for this bike, and I say yet, we will have them, but we don't have headlight ears to change out if you wanted to go to a bigger headlight or low profile, because they increase the size to 47 millimeters from 41. So we don't have clamps that fit right now, but we will have them. Also tire options. They have a 16-inch tire on here, so we don't have any options for tires just yet. We've just got to look at the options that we want to go with and carry on the site. So keep looking for those. They'll be there, and as soon as we got them, we'll definitely do a video for it. And that's it for the 2023 bobber. Let us know in the comments if there's any other options you'd like to see for this bike, and thanks for watching.